Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll create a custom product using Xdraw. Start by logging in and navigating to your BOM page. Click on Add Custom Item. Select Single Product from the drop-down menu. This opens the Add Product Details dialog box. Enter the required details for your custom product. For illustration, I am adding details like brand name, model number, description, quantity, links, category, MSRP, etc. Remember to always mark the IO information as yes from the drop-down if you want to add port information, then click on the Next button. In the Add Port Details dialog box that opens, click Add Port at the top right corner to add multiple ports. Fill in the port details, such as the port name and total ports, select the port and signal type from the drop-down, and choose the connector name. Similarly, fill in the other port details and click the Save button. Your customized product will now appear in your bill of materials. Based on the details you provided in port information, this is how it will appear in your Xdraw editor. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, please visit x1080.com.